This is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans.
And I'm Stu Beans, oddly also with the Little House of Beans. And today, we're officially saying we're in the holiday season. And what does that mean to you? That means it's time for a couple of holiday giveaways. Stay tuned. You'll learn how to be eligible for this amazing giveaway. 3 different prizes. First place, second place, third place. Why don't we just get right into it? Edie, tell them what third place will win.
Third place winner will receive a upper oven rack and a perforated baking tray.
Nice. Second place will also get a perforated baking tray and an upper oven rack, but also a customized,
Slippery little sucker.
a customized Omnia oven. So this oven will be the ceramic no stick. Yeah, that's a new cover. Everything is new. We just took it out of the boxes. It'll also include a thermometer, and it will also include the silicone separators. You got your halves and you got your quarters. Again, it's all brand new. I just took it out of the boxes because that'll make it easier to ship. All in a nice little, there's the knob, all in a nice little package. So that is your second place prize.
Sweet.
Edie, first place?
First place winner will receive,
I get these.
once again, the upper baking rack and the perforated tray, along with this little baggie. And in this bag is a trivet.
Trivet.
You will also receive my first prize winner, of course, the Omnia oven. You have your red lid. You have the little nubbin. Thermometer.
Thermometer.
You will receive the dividers. You'll receive the 4 dividers, the quarters, and you'll receive the halvesies, and of course, the oven. That is first prize winner.
How, might you ask, can you win or be eligible for one of these 3 amazing prizes? Well, let me tell you, you must be a YouTube subscriber. You should also probably be a member of our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, because that's where we announce everything. And then, of course, the last requirement.
Please comment in the video, in the YouTube video. Comment whether you are naughty or nice. One word. Pick naughty or pick nice. And I know who your naughty peeps are, so don't try to pull one over us.
We know who naughty is, without a doubt. So to recap, you must be a YouTube subscriber, be a member of our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and say naughty or nice in the comments of this video. Don't put them on the comments on Facebook. You can be from anywhere in the world. You could be from France.
Oui.
You could be from Italy. You could be from Canada. A lot of our friends are from Australia. You could be from anywhere. And the shipping is on us. So that is it. Those are the 3 giveaways for the holiday season. Thank you very much for being a member of our little Omnia Oven family, whether it's here on YouTube or it's part of the Facebook group. Hopefully you're both. We also have an Instagram. We don't really do Twitter, X, but we're very thankful that you guys have been along the 5-year ride with us, and there's no stopping now. We're still popping out videos. So with that, please give us a thumbs up, smooshy the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we put out new videos. And that's the best way that we can continue to do these videos, whether they're cooking videos or they are giveaways, which we usually do once a month.
Happy and healthy holidays from the Little House of Beans to your home. Thank you. We appreciate you. Good luck to all 3 winners. Remember, comment naughty or nice. Good luck.
And I forgot to say, this will be over on New Year's Eve. I'll announce on the Facebook group on the New Year's Day. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Be healthy.